Hi, friends. Welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky. The date today is March the 5th. It's a Thursday, and we are here in our indoor grow room. And I'm going to show you an update of the seedlings that we have been growing indoors. So I'm going to start in here. Here we have our chayote squash. And then let's take a look at the shelf. These are bulbing onions. We have candy onions and red onions. They have grown bigger already. We have 3 trays of seedlings that are already in the greenhouse, which I cannot show you right now because it's been raining all day. We've been having a 70 something degree days, and um, we got rain all day today. Yesterday we got rain in the afternoon, but it's good for the plants. It feels like spring in here. These are red juice tomatoes. I noticed that these tomatoes are growing a little bit slower than the red juice tomatoes I had last year. I'm wondering if it's because these are some older seeds. These red juice tomatoes are seeds from 2025. I still have to seed the newer ones, the ones for 2026. These are herbs. So far, we don't have much. Usually, it takes a long time to germinate the herbs. In here we have rosemary, parsley, thyme, cilantro. Yeah. So we'll see. I think I've seen like one rosemary that has sprouted already. Now this one here looks really nice, except for this area. So we have 4 different seeds here. We have the Benares Giant Lime, which is right here. So these are green zinnias. And then these are mixed colors of Benares Giant Formula zinnias. And then these are Gomfrina. And I think I seeded like 100 Gomfrinas. Yeah, I planted all of the seeds of Gomfrina. I'll just collect more seeds for next year. It's easy to collect the seeds from them. These are nasturtiums. I think I've seen like 3 of them, maybe 4 that have germinated. So that's a good start. And then down here, we have peppers. So these are Beacon sweet banana peppers, which we started on February 17th. And then these are Jedi jalapeno peppers, hybrid jalapeno peppers that we seeded on February 16th. And then these 2 trays in here are Salanova lettuces. We have 4 different variety of Salanova lettuce seeded on March 1st, I believe. So these are new, actually. And then down here, these are tomatoes. The Granadero is a paste tomato. This is like Roma. It looks exactly like Roma, but it has resistance to many diseases because this is hybrid. This is sun green, so when it ripens, it's still green. We have black cherry, which is, I believe, like an organic one. White cherry, and I got all of this from Johnny's. Sakura. These are all cherry tomatoes, and then we have the ones in there are the Carolina Gold, which is a yellow slicer. So these were planted on the 22nd of February. You can see, they're growing quickly. This is flavor burst peppers. These are bell peppers, and I believe the color is yellow. Yeah, yellow bells. And then here we have 2 types of tomatoes. The ones in here are sun gold. These are orange cherry tomatoes. And then these are the Cherokee purple, or I mean Cherokee carbon, not Cherokee purple. Now these are the Aristotle. Aristotle are red bells. And then here, I fill this area. I'm not putting anything in the bottom yet because it's just too close to the floor. It's a little bit colder. These are the sugar snap peas that I germinated. I've germinated some of them already. So um, here in a couple of days, they'll be ready to go into the garden. These are our celery, where I'm glad that I'm seeing a lot more new growth now. I thought I wouldn't be able to germinate these celery seeds because they're older seeds, which I got probably from 3 or 4 years ago. But germination has been fine. So far, it just took longer for them to germinate than when the seeds were newer. And then here, these are the orange bell peppers. Orange bells, look at that. They look good. It took the orange bell peppers a little bit over a week to germinate, and it's because I only have 2 heat mats. So this tray was not placed on a heat mat right away. And then here we have the purple basil and some Italian basil. So far, that's what we have in our seedling room. I am fixing to seed some more um, peppers, marigold, more tomatoes, and then some beets. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for our update today. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.